वाग्दानं च प्रदानं च वरणं पाणिपीडनं सप्तपदीति पंचांगो विवाह प्रकीर्तिः. There are 5 essential elements to a Vedic wedding, a Vaidika vivaha. Vagdanam, Pradhanam, Varanam, Panipeedanam, Saptapadi. Vagdanam is the process of engagement that involves formal consent of the parents. Pradhanam, also called Kanyadanam, the formal process of uniting the bride with the bridegroom by the bride's father. Varanam, it is the ceremonial honoring of the groom by the bride's father. Panipeedanam or Panigrahanam, the ritual of the groom holding the hand of the bride. Saptapadi, the ritual of the 7 steps. What is the significance of Saptapadi? As the bride and the groom embark on a journey of togetherness, a journey dedicated to dharma, a journey rooted in the principles of contribution. Saptapadi is a ritual that involves the bride and the groom making 7 steps, making a solemn pledge. Saptapadi is more than a pledge. It is a series of 7 positive affirmations and profound prayers to the Paramatma. Ekamishe Vishnustvan Vetu, Dvevurje Vishnustvan Vetu, Trinivrataya Vishnustvan Vetu, Chatvaro Mayobhavaya Vishnustvan Vetu, Panchapashubhyo Vishnustvan Vetu, Shatputubhyo Vishnustvan Vetu, Sapta Saptabhyo Hotrabhyo Vishnustvan Vetu, Ekamishe Vishnustvan Vetu. We make the first step praying to Bhagavan Vishnu to ensure Anna Samriddhi. The first step is an affirmation and a prayer for physical nourishment. Dvevurje Vishnustvan Vetu. We take the second step, praying to Bhagavan Vishnu to ensure mental abundance. The second step is an affirmation and a prayer for mental strength. Trinivrataya Vishnustvan Vetu. We take the third step, praying to Bhagavan Vishnu to ensure Sat Karma Siddhi. The third step is an affirmation and a prayer for right conduct, for good conduct, conduct rooted in dharma. Chatvaro Mayobhavaya Vishnustvan Vetu. We take the fourth step, praying to Bhagavan Vishnu to ensure harmony and happiness. The fourth step is an affirmation and a prayer for 2 minds becoming one. Panchapashubhyo Vishnustvan Vetu. We take the 5th step, praying to Bhagavan Vishnu to ensure Pashu Samriddhi. The 5th step is an affirmation and a prayer for a prosperous family. Shatruddhubhyo Vishnustvan Vetu. we take the sixth step, praying to Bhagavan Vishnu for welfare throughout all seasons. The sixth step is an affirmation and a prayer for yoga and kshema, health, well-being and security. Sapta saptabhyo hotrabhyo vishnustvan vetu. We take the seventh step, praying to Bhagavan Vishnu to ensure togetherness, lasting partnership. The seventh step is an affirmation and a prayer for a life of yajna, a life rooted in contribution, a life of contribution over consumption, a life dedicated to the welfare of the society. Ekamishe Vishnustvan vetu, Vevurje Vishnustvan vetu, Trinivrataya Vishnustvan vetu, Chatvaro Mayobhavaya Vishnustvan vetu, Panchapashubhyo Vishnustvan vetu, Shatvrutubhyo Vishnustvan vetu, Sapta Saptabhyo Hotrabhyo Vishnustvan vetu. Thus, Saptapadi is a significant ritual undertaken by the bride and the groom as they embark on a glorious journey of togetherness, praying for a purposeful and a prayerful life. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.